Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha, the daughter of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, dispatched someone to Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, demanding her bequest share in the wealth of Madina Munawwara and Fadak, which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu bestowed on Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, as well as in what remained out of the royal fief of Khaybar. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, "We do not leave any inheritor. Whatever we leave is taken as alms. However, Hazrat Muhammad's progeny will keep eating of that wealth, and I, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, will not make any amendment in expending alms given by Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, and keep it in the state in which it was in Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam times, and I will manage it in the way Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam used to manage it." So Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu refused to give Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha anything out of that as a legacy. Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha got displeased with Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu due to it, and she abandoned him and did not even talk to him till her demise. She remained alive for 6 months after the demise of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. When Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha passed away, her husband Hazrat Ali bin Abi Talib radiyallahu anhu buried her during the night without apprising Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu of it. During the lifetime of Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha, the people had inclination towards Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu. But after her demise, Hazrat Ali noticed a change in the people's attitude. So he requested Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu for reconciliation and taking an oath of allegiance, for he had not sworn an oath of allegiance to Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu during these 6 months. So he sent a message for Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu requesting him to pay a visit to them unaccompanied, as he disliked Hazrat Umar's arrival. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu advised Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you should not go to them alone." Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, "I do not expect that they will ill-treat me. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will definitely pay a visit to them." Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu went to them. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu recited the article of testimony and said, "O Abu Bakr, we recognize your excellence and the status what Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has conferred upon you. We are not jealous of the good Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has bestowed on you, but you have decided the matter of caliphate yourselves without consulting us, whereas we, being the kings of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, also enjoy the right in connection with it." The consultation. He then continued conversing with Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu until Hazrat Abu Bakr's eyes started shedding tears. Thereupon Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, in whose possession my soul is, doing good to the kings of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam is dearer to me than doing good to my own kins. As for the wealth due to which there occurred a contention between you and me, I have neither forsaken any goodness nor abandoned the rational. I watched Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam adopting while expending it. Rather, I will manage it in the same way." Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu said to Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, "I promise you to swear an oath of allegiance to you in the afternoon." When Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu had performed the Zohar prayer, he ascended the pulpit, uttered the article of testimony, and narrated Hazrat Ali's excellence and his excuse for which he delayed swearing an oath of allegiance to him, which Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu had stated, then sought Allah's forgiveness and descended. Thereafter, Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu recited the article of testimony, narrated Hazrat Abu Bakr's excellence and his right, and then clarified that the reason of his delay was not because of any jealousy, nor did he deny the excellence Allah Jalla Jalaluhu had bestowed on him. Rather, they thought that they had a right to opine regarding the caliphate issue, but they formed the government without consulting them, Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu and his party, which pained them. The Muslims felt ecstasy and said, "You have said right." When Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu adopted the proper course of action, the people again developed close affinity with him. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 4555.